Hi guys, it's me Islim Anwar from Popik Techland. I hope guys you are doing well. Today our topic how to fix Windows cannot connect with printer problem. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all you go on the search bar. Here you search registry. Here you search registry editor. Open the registry editor. Here you select the HP local machine, the third word option. Expand them. Here you see the last option system, expand the system. Here you see the third one option current control set, expand this. And when you expand this, after that you select the control, expand control. Here you here I select print, just right click on them and new key. So when you do that, you go on the right side and here you click on this. When you click on this, this box appears in front of you. Here you set the value 0 and then OK. Then you simply close this window and go back on search bar. Here you search services, open services. Here you print spoiler. So here I search print spoiler. Here is the print spoiler. Just right click on them and restart. So when you do that, you simply shut down your PC and restart your PC. After doing that, all of these steps, your issue will be resolved. I hope guys this video will be helpful for you. So if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Perfect Technique. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye.